and today we are going to be doing another tutorial. I deleted the other video about him making Molten Freddy because I did, and so here's another tutorial. I won't do doing that. I'll be trying to do this when I'm doing stuff. Just be better to do that, but you know, that's fine. So we're gonna get started. So first thing, okay, so you have to get all your supplies. This is from a Lego Minecraft set called The Farm. This is where I got this from, or the snow thing area thing. I don't know what this is called. And these I just found in my box. I don't know what these are from. Probably from any Lego things. Okay, here is the withered skeleton. So you're gonna take off the arms and these two arms and the head of that Lego Minecraft figure, and the skeleton. You're gonna need this. Okay, you could just take them apart if you want. But okay, so now we're gonna get started with the steps. First step, ding. Take off Freddy's head. No, don't put on my head. We're gonna take it off. So you're gonna take it off like so. A little bit. Like this, you can see it more. And then you're going to take the head piece. You're going to take this head, take off this. It's almost similar to this. You're going to put it on right here. See that? It's going to look like this for the first. Well, this is the second step because you have to take off this for the first step. And this is the second step. Put it right there. Okay, so next step. Take this. Oops, knocked me over. Take this, and you're going to put this in here. And take it a little bit in there and there to look like that. Fourth step. Take out this and the skeleton from this. You won't be needing this. Put that right there. See, like that. Oops. He doesn't really stand well, but you could probably use, on something. Okay. Sixth step, I think it is on. We're going to take these two pieces and use it as arms. So it's like these, but like whiter, so it could be like it's not burned off. I think that'd look nice. Take that, and now it's gonna be longer, not shorter. So, because I know in the game it's longer, so it's gonna look like this when you're salvaging him. He's like all dead in space. But you could probably recreate that scene. I might actually do that on my channel. If you guys want to do that, leave a like. If this video gets to 25 likes, I might do that in the near future. Okay, so you took off your thing for your skeleton. Now it's time to take the skeleton off. So take the head off. You're going to take them apart fully. Oops. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened, okay? Okay. So then you are going to take... Okay, I tried to do that. So you're going to take all the pieces from your skelly bone, and you are going to make stuff out of it by putting... Sorry, falling. You're going to put this one down here as a wire to the foot. You're going to put this feet of the skeleton right there. You're going to put, you see this? Put right there. Because I know there's a lot of wires on him, and then you just put it in random places, like twist them around and stuff. So it looks like he has stick out wires and stuff. Like position. I hate this positioning camera thing. It's just dumb. Then we're going to take this and put it up here. So it's going to stick out like that. And now you should be ready. Your Molten Freddy is... You know what? I should get a really stand for this. It'll look nicer, but here's your Molten Freddy. You got your and he should look like this. Hi, I'm Molten Freddy. Yeah, I'm dead in space. So yeah, sorry. I just wanted to update this video, so I'm gonna delete the regional. I'm going to. And I think this looks better than the other one I did. Just because it has longer arms and it kind of looks more accurate than all the other wires. You can actually spray paint it and like paint it. I think it'll look nice. But in McFarlane and yeah, they do a Molten Freddy. You won't need this, but just for now, you could just do this. And if you have another thing laying around, like another Funtime Freddy, you might be able to cut off Bon, and you just use the other thing and just throw this away. Or just use it for other parts if you're building, like, you know, sister location. That might look good. So, I can't put that there. I don't care. So, anyways, guys, that's it for this. You know what? I'm just gonna put it right here. Can you work? It doesn't stand well. Okay. There. That's the best I could do for standing. Yeah, well, I'm gonna make it sitting. Hold up, guys. Sorry for a bad thing. It's needed. I'm gonna make it dead in space, like he's dead. This is gonna look good, okay, guys? It's gonna look perfected. It needs to look. Here it is. Boom. Looks like he just came out of the game. Except, one thing you can do is, look at my sets. Got this from this set. Oops. Look at that. That doesn't matter. Took this, you know, you could put this as the jaw to make it look like more accurate to the game, but I don't care. It looks more accurate to me. But you could just take that if you want to. Not really, you know, judging, you know. It's my collection, by the way. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out, and subscribe and like if you want to see a stop motion video on this dude. And peace out. Bye.